Hello everyone, in this video we'll installing the Suricata and then we will generate the attack from Kali Linux. You will use this link for Suricata installation, and after opening this website you need to copy these commands and then you can paste these all the commands in the terminal. Yeah, it need your password, your machine password. Press enter. Enter yes. Yes, now you need to again open the browser and you need to copy this second command and you will paste here. By using this command you can check the directories of the Suricata. Change the directories. Open another terminal and you can check verify the IP address of this operating system in this machine. So now we need to add it to some file, and for that we need to open the nano and the required file. Yeah, first of all you can remove this IP address and you can add your IP address, your machine IP address, and then after that you need to add the interface address in two places and you need to create your custom file as well. save this file. Now you can change the directory and make the new directory. So now almost the installation is complete. You need to open the new terminal and you can use this command to run the Suricata. So after running the Suricata, you can see we received this error that no rule files match the pattern. So we need to attach that rule file, integrate that rule file. So for that you need these commands. So now you again run the Suricata and check the error status, and the one error is removed. The one error is there that no rules were loaded. So we need to write a new rule by opening the editor. So basically we are writing the rule for ping packets, for ICMP packets. So now you can open the terminal, separate terminal, and use these commands to monitor the log file and run the Suricata again. And you can see there is no error at this time. So now is the time to generate the attack from the Kali Linux and then check the impact of that attack in Suricata. Use the ping command and you can check the Suricata is running and the attacker machine address is detected. So it means the Suricata is working now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos.